Namaskar. Welcome to Even Beyond. I am Varun. Present with this video on how to change HTML form element placeholder style. I have recently worked on this contact form and had to change the placeholder color. That's why I thought to share the same with you all. Let's see how to change the style of the placeholder practically. I have opened the Atom IDE and here is a placeholder HTML file. Let me start writing the HTML code. Let's first take a form element. Inside this, input type text, name, first name. Leave the value as it is and take placeholder, the value first name. Let's take one more field and make it an email text field. Placeholder email. Let me save this file. I have a local PHP built-in web server running here already, so go to the browser and open localhost 8000 placeholder HTML file. Here is the output with two fields, first for first name and second for email, with first name and email as their placeholder values. Let me put this form autocomplete off. By doing this, we basically make sure that these input fields do not show any suggestion. It happens that by default the browser shows you some suggestions as per your input histories. Let's write the CSS code now. First, selectors and set its color to green. Save it and now run it again. Now when you see, the placeholder's color hasn't changed at all. For those who don't know about what placeholder is just a hint for the user what input this particular text is going to accept. So in this case, like this is the first name that you see here is the hint, the placeholder. When you click on this and start typing, the placeholder fades, the placeholder disappears. So that's the placeholder. Now I was talking about the color of the placeholder. When I am typing my name, you see the color of this text is green. It is because of this particular CSS rule. So what we have done here is that we have changed the color of the input values, not the placeholder itself. To change the placeholder color, all you need is this pseudo element called placeholder. Now when we save it and run this, you see first name and email, they have changed to green. Let's right click over this, inspect element, and see its a style. You don't see its a style here, the placeholder style, right? If you want to check the placeholder style, all you need to do is to go to the settings, and under elements here you have an option show user agent shadow DOM. Let's enable this, and when we come back to it, we can see the shadow, and this is showing you the style that's working on this. When you click this link, it will show you the rule that's working on that particular element. Let's talk about compatibility issues. Here, let's see the placeholder CSS pseudo element compatibility with browsers. You see, IE Internet Explorer browser is not supporting this at all. Edge is partially supporting with MS prefix. Firefox, the major versions of Firefox, the latest ones are supporting them. Chrome supporting, Safari is also supporting, Opera, yes. iOS Safari, yes. Opera Mini, no, it's not supporting at all. Android browser, yes it is. BlackBerry browser, it is supporting but partially, so you will have to use vendor prefix WebKit for this. Similarly, you see IE Mobile, it's partially supporting with vendor prefix MS, and same is the case with QQ browser. So from this chart you can see most of the browsers are supporting in their latest versions, but some like Microsoft Edge, BlackBerry, IE Mobile and QQ browser, they need vendor prefixes. Let's see how to add these vendor prefixes. The vendor prefixes that we can use for Chrome, Opera and Safari are this. This is a pseudo element. For Firefox 19 plus version you have mouse, this is also a pseudo element, and for i10 plus you have MS input, and this is a pseudo class. Let's see how to do this. So for WebKit, all you need is to apply these vendor prefixes. Same for Mozilla and for IE 10 plus version. So that is how we can handle the compatibility issues regarding placeholder pseudo element. So in this video we have learned how to style placeholder color. This color, the green, is not looking so good. You can, as per your design choice, set your own color. So that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, do like and give your comments in the comment section, share and subscribe. Thank you for being with me. Bye.